So who's next?
Well, next, ladies and gentlemen, we have a group from Manitoba as well. They are not from Winnipeg directly. They rehearse in Enola, really. So they're
rehearse in Enola, not a hall.
In Enola, they rehearse in Enola.
Oh, in Enola.
Yeah. And they're from all over Manitoba, and they all make a big effort to make it to Enola and have their rehearsals. And we're very lucky to have them here today.
But before you get into it, we've been asked to announce by our first aid people, please drink a lot of water, because that's what happens when you don't drink a lot of water.
I'm trying to have a sip of water.
You turn into number 45. Please drink a lot of water. Keep yourself hydrated, ladies and gentlemen.
Keep yourself hydrated. We've already had a couple of dehydration cases, so let's try to drink a little bit of water and not just the vodka. Okay. So under the direction of Rod and Bonnie Picklick and Crystal Boyson, these guys were this group was asked back because they were so fantastic last year. They performed last year at the festival, and they're always being invited to many other festivals. So without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, I think we should get off the stage and bring on the Selo Ukrainian dancers performing Volin. Let's hear it for the Selo Ukrainian dancers, ladies and gentlemen.